everyone, welcome to another vlog. I hope you guys are doing awesome. If you're new to my channel, I'm Zara. I'm lots of vlog in this channel, everyday vlog, traveling. Also sometimes I do have unboxing. So if this is something that interests you, stick around. Let's go ahead and watch this video. I just got ready for the day. I did my makeup, and yesterday I had my dentist appointment, so in this vlog you guys can see that. And I did go to Sephora. I treated myself with some goodies that I'm gonna share with you guys. And I did go to Chapters. I had some Starbucks. I had a good time. So in this vlog, that's what you guys gonna see. Maybe some cooking. So yeah, let me show you guys what I got. So Fenty came up with these trios. This is Fenty Femme Faves. So it comes with 3-piece. This is a mascara that I really like. So let me show you guys what it comes with. This is one of her highlighter. So it's in the shade Water Brought 02. It's this baby pink. Let me swatch it for you guys. It's really shimmery. If you're into pink, you will love this one. The full size of this, by the way, it retails for $43, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So you get that. Also you get a full size of mascara. This is one of the most beautiful mascara I've been using for a while. It's really nice. It is black and it lasts long. It's really good. And it also comes with this lip gloss. So this is super nice. These in this one. So these are super nice for traveling, especially now when it's summer. You go a lot of places, so you want to have this in your purse, in your makeup kit. Also the travel size. So, and one more thing, super cute Huda Beauty, their ube collection, the ube birthday cake. Adorable is this. This is awesome for traveling. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna make coffee for myself. So let me show you guys how I make coffee in the morning. I'm going to share with you guys how I make my coffee. This is the mug I'm using, and the coffee is McCafe. Yeah, I really like the taste. Half and half cream, 10%. That's what I use for my coffee. So I'm just gonna hit the shot. I really like the taste of this coffee with cream and milk. So sometimes I get it with cream only, but today I decide to froth some milk as well. And the milk I'm using is the whole milk. I also like to add half a teaspoon of sugar in my coffee. And here milk is almost ready, and I'm just gonna add it to the coffee. Yeah, it's really good. I really like it. I enjoy it so much. So that's why I prefer making my coffee at home. Yeah, I like it when it's foamy. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. So I'm just gonna enjoy my coffee. Some of my bestie on YouTube that has been there and supporting my channel, giving me showing me love and support throughout these years. Thank you so much for supporting, for all your love and support. Also OG-media-ZA, she has been there and supporting my channel throughout the years. I just want to say thank you, and I do enjoy your content as well. So at the same time, I'm so grateful that I have been having a lot of new subscribers, new followers. So I really hope you guys stick around and support me uh, throughout my YouTube journey. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoy my content. Ground beef with some spices. You can have choice of your spices. I used the chapli kebab masala, which is from Sean, and I added some black pepper, olive oil, and salt. I'm just gonna mix it all up, and I have some fresh chili, green peppers, cilantro, and green onions. So I'm gonna add that one after and make kebabs. So now is the time to add all these fresh cilantro, green onions, and green peppers. We are at Zara, me and Maka again. We have some return. I know it's Alta bag.
It turns and it changes.
So let's go do the return first. Turn around. Here she's done. This is the after of her hair. She's done. This is the before. I'll show you guys the after. She wants to get her hair done.
Nemo.
Her hair is done.
Nemo.
Both of their hair are done.
Hadi ya.
قابلی ازبکی تیار میکنم. گوشتم را زردکش already انداختیم. آل کشمش. گوشت گوسفند است. and already برای 45 دقیقه او رو ماندم که نرم شوم. یک چند دقیقه دیگه کشمش زردک میمانم. باز برنج ادش اد میکنم. ددم میمونم.